Hi, I am Bishwajita Sarkar from Kuch Bihar, West Bengal. Today I want to discuss on the matter current economic crisis of India. At first I want to tell what is the meaning of economic crisis, a period of economic slowdown characterized by declining productivity and devaluing of financial institutions, often due to reckless and unsustainable money leading. India's economy is in deep trouble. In its titled Asia Pacific losses near USD 3 trillion as balance sheet recession loans, S&P projected the region's economy to shrink by 1.3% in 2020 but grow by 6.9% in 2021. This implies a loss nearing USD 3 trillion output over this 2 years. What is slowdown of an economy? A situation in which GDP growth slows but does not decline. The economy is experiencing a slowdown. If GDP is slowing down or negative, it can lead fears of a recession, which mean layoffs and unemployment and declining business revenues and consumer spending. The GDP report is also a way to look at which sector of the economy are growing and which are declining. Economic slowdown is cyclical in nature. Chief Economic Advisor Krishnamurthy Subramanian said India's economic slowdown is more cyclical than structural and the government has a well thought out agenda for reforms to revive the economy. The economy of India is characterized as a developing market economy. It is the world's sixth largest economy by nominal GDP and the third largest by purchasing power parity. What is causing Indian economy slowdown? Non-banking financial companies are essential for economic growth in the country. They provide financial assistance to firms who may not have access to bank loans. Turbulence in the non-banking financial institutions is a major cause for the economic slowdown. Though demonetization is not the only factor responsible for economic slowdown, economy watchers held that demonetization hit the unorganized sector the hardest, causing loss of jobs and initiating a spiral effect in which consumption declined due to loss of earning, particularly in villages. COVID-19 pandemic turns into economic crisis rather a health crisis as the world's best economic experiencing negative GDP growth. India's placed at second position in coronavirus cases with more than 4.5 million confirmed cases after the US. Causes of the present slowdown in the Indian economy: collapse in private consumption and investment freeze leading to the effect of demonetization, rollout of GST, retreat of globalization, ride out the storm, explosion of population, lackness of central employee policy, crisis as the world's best economic experiencing negative GDP growth. India's placed at second position in coronavirus cases with more than 4.5 million confirmed cases after the US. Causes of the present slowdown in the Indian economy: collapse in private consumption and investment freeze leading to the effect of demonetization, rollout of GST, retreat of globalization, ride out the storm, explosion of population, lackness of central employee policy, excessive government scheme and subsidy, terrorist and antisocial activity. India's economy characterized sharply in the 3 months to the end of June. Officially data shows it shrank by 23.9%. Its would slump since the country started releasing quarterly data in 1996. The coronavirus pandemic and the grinding lockdown caused massive disruptions to economic activity during the quarter. At the end, is Indian economy going to collapse? India has never faced a sustained long-term downturn in economic activity. There is now every possibility that India is looking at a depression for the first time in its history. Thank you.